For finger picking, we're going to put one finger on our right hand per string. So what we want is we want our fingers clawed like this. And we want to rest each individual finger and our thumb on separate strings. So where we place our thumb and fingers depend on what the root note of the chord is. So for example, for a C or an A minor, what we're going to do is we're going to put our thumb on the fifth string, our first finger on the fourth string, second finger on the third string, third finger on the second string, and pinky on the first string. Now just try that a couple of times. Now if I'm playing a D or D minor, for example, my thumb is going to go on the fourth string, and then my other fingers are going to follow. So my first finger on the third string, second finger on the second string, third finger on the first string. That's for a D or for a D minor. Now for a G or a E chord or an E minor chord or anything with a bass note on the sixth string, what we're going to do is we're going to have our thumb on the sixth string, then we're going to skip the fifth string, then our first finger is going to go on the fourth string, second finger on the third string, third finger on the second string, and pinky on the first string. Once we got that going, let's actually put it into a finger picking pattern. This is going to be T, my thumb. This is going to be my first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. Notice how my thumb moved from the fifth string for the bass note of the C chord to the fourth string for the bass note of the D minor chord to the sixth string for the bass note of the G chord. Everything that we're going to be doing after that is just going to be variations on that. I have a bunch of patterns available as a free PDF download off my website. The difference is with this next variation is that it's going to be almost like combining two, and the second one doesn't start with their thumb. Now when I have like a T.3, that means we're going to play both our thumb and our third finger together. Now this next thing is going to be a roll, and what we're going to be doing for that is it's almost like we're going to be going a quick thumb 1, 2, 3. Taking this one step further, I'm going to call this one the claw, where we're actually going to pick all the notes together at once.